Hey everyone, if you've ever wanted to turn your ideas into beautiful videos without showing your face, editing for hours, or hiring a video team, then this video is for you. Today I'm gonna walk you through an amazing tool called Mootion. Mootion is an AI native content creation platform that lets you generate fully animated and faceless videos in under 5 minutes. You can use it to create educational content, tutorials, kids' cartoon stories, horror stories, bilingual dialogues, entertainment videos, and much more. Let's get started and take a closer look at how it works. What makes it special is that you can create a full video from just a simple idea or text prompt. Once you sign up, you'll see the Mootion dashboard. It features a clean, intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. Mootion also offers a wide selection of templates for different content types. You'll find categories like general creation, social content, kids videos, education, drama, storytelling, religious topics, entertainment, and mindfulness. Below these, there's a gallery of sample templates you can explore and select from. Let's create a video, step by step. Click Create New Project. Here enter a topic or prompt. For this demo, I'll use Friendly Encounters, a conversation. After entering it, Mootion automatically gets to work. It first analyzes your prompt, creates a story plan, then writes a full script. Next, it designs a storyboard. It even sets up post-production, voiceovers, music, effects, and transitions completely on its own. This entire setup takes just a few seconds. Once ready, Mootion generates a full set of images for your story. With one click, you can animate all of them at once. While the animation processes, you can work on something else. You'll be notified once it's ready. When your animation is ready, click Edit Project.
On the first sunny Saturday of spring, people young and old flourished in the city's Central Park. The air was crisp yet filled with the warmth of the sun, and the trees began to show signs of life again.
Here you can tweak every part of your video, edit the title, rewrite the script, or swap any image you don't like by clicking Regenerate. For deeper changes, click Edit on any image. Inside the image editor, you can crop, flip, or fine-tune visuals manually. Use the brush tool to add elements. You can also erase objects or replace the background entirely. To animate an image, click Animate. You can describe the action like the hen is dancing, or let the AI decide. Click OK, and Mootion will generate an animation. Once complete, the animated version replaces the original. You can also add other visual elements or insert media from your library. Once satisfied, click Next. Now, let's style your video. Choose a title design, then select a subtitle style that fits your content. Pick a thumbnail and apply transitions between scenes for a smooth flow. Mootion makes adding voiceovers simple.
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.
Pick from a variety of AI voices, male or female. You can also add avatars that speak and gesture in sync with your voiceover. Position them on screen. Select poses and customize their appearance to fit your style. It offers a rich library of background music. Pick the one that fits your story, then click Compose. It will now render your final video. It might take a few moments depending on complexity. Once your video is ready, preview it.
On the first sunny Saturday of spring, people turned, his eyes widening with surprise. "Oh, I'm so sorry," he exclaimed, rushing to pick up the fallen book. "No harm done," Amara smiled warmly, taking the notebook from his hands. "I tend to be in my own world."
You can download the full video, the storyboard, or just the thumbnail. Everything is formatted and ready for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or your website. Mootion isn't limited to prompts. You can write a paragraph or full scene manually and generate a video from that. You can also upload audio or video files. It will analyze them and turn them into animated stories. Choose aspect ratios like square, landscape, or vertical, and select from various templates and styles. So if you want to turn your ideas into stunning animated videos without hiring a team or spending hours editing, Mootion is the tool for you. You'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next smart tool breakdown. See you in the next one.